80 billion pairs of disposable chopsticks are produced in China. That's a total of 3.8 million trees, the equivalent of 100 acres of forest every day. Only 3.34% of the forests remain intact. Why are we still consuming them? Obviously because there are no real alternatives to disposable chopsticks. Eleme, China's leading food delivery platform, processes 15 million orders a day. That's a lot of chopsticks that are going straight into the trash or left sitting in a corner, unused and forgotten. Well, now there is a solution. Edible chopsticks. Chopsticks you can actually eat. Edible chopsticks are made in 3 different flavors: original wheat, matcha, and purple sweet potato. Here there is no coating. It is made of wheat flour without any preservatives. Our product has a long shelf life of more than 10 months. And if you don't want to eat it, you can just throw it away. It decomposes within a week. Our packaging is made from 100% recycled paper. It's completely sustainable. Within the first week of launch, we already distributed 250,000 pairs nationwide with 43 major restaurant chains. And it's only the beginning.